Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a Microsoft account on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Click Sign In, then select Create One. Choose Get a New Email Address if you want a new Outlook email, or use your existing email address. Enter your preferred username and click Next. Create a strong password, then click Next. Now enter your first name, last name, country or region, and date of birth. Click Next to continue. Microsoft will ask you to complete a quick verification to confirm you're not a robot. Finish the verification, then review the privacy settings if prompted and click Accept. That's it. Your Microsoft account has been created successfully, and you can now use it to sign in to Windows, Outlook, OneDrive, Microsoft 365, Xbox, and other Microsoft services. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.